Alright, hey everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of Matchbox 5-packs and a couple of random other stuff we got going on here. We won't waste a ton of time, we're always just going to get right into it. But a teaser for you. Look at this. This might be a nightmare to open, but we'll figure it out. I might need screws to take that off, but we'll figure it out. Okay, we'll look at this one first. So we have this 5-pack. I'm assuming it's some sort of police team it's called. What year is this from? 2017 it says. It's not too old, but a few years old now. Where did I get this? Oh, I actually found this at Walmart recently. I know that's crazy. Like occasionally, once in a blue moon, I'll find a really old Matchbox or like green light or something just hanging on the pegs that was returned or found in the back or something. And this is one of them. And you know, for retail, how can I argue? So, throw that away. We're just gonna get the cars out here. All right, we're gonna look at this helicopter first. You know, I've grown an appreciation for this helicopter. I don't really love them. It's not something I normally collect, but as building the ultimate Matchbox collection has done, well, things just happen to appear in your collection and you get more and more and more of them. And yeah, you end up with a whole collection of them, unintentionally. Then we got this one here. Just gonna skim through the kind of no-name ones. The Acre Maker. I don't know why police would ever use this, but sure, why not? I actually don't hate this casting, but it's not something I desire to chase every one of. Next we will look at this trailer. I actually do really like this trailer. Plastic body, metal base, just a horse trailer, I guess. Pony trailer. It does not open on the back. It's a really good looking trailer. And then we got the Ford Expedition. This would be the highlight of the case 5-pack. Really nice casting. Got a bunch of military versions of this. No suspension. I do like the black wheels though. It's a good looking little SUV. Big SUV, I guess you would call it. It's not small at all. And then last one for this 5-pack is this. It's a Ford, right? Ford panel van. Kind of strange how they chose that window choice, but whole metal body. It's got a good amount of weight to it. Kind of a stubby little front end on this thing, but it's a pretty good looking van. Do we have any? No, we don't have any others to look at from that pack, but this pack we have a couple of other cars extra that we're going to look at, and this is another Matchbox. This is Police Department, New York, from 2015. I remember this one when this was on the pegs. I don't know why I never scooped it. I was still fresh in the game at that time, so I really didn't understand a lot, but now it's different. Basically everything I see that's on the pegs is new because it's so cheap. I just buy one of everything because Matchbox is cheap enough I can do that. I'm just gonna bump the camera, make it a mess. There's cars everywhere. I feel like I already have this 5-pack, but I know I don't because I don't have this. So this NYPD Charger, 16 Charger, right? Doesn't say. Dodge Charger Pursuit. Made a million of these, and we're always happy to have another one. And we got a few more of those we're going to look at real quick. Why not? So there's that one, right? So this one is the recent Dodge set. I think there was another Dodge set that completely skipped us that I still got to get, but I haven't opened this one yet. I don't even know I'm assuming it's licensed, but I can't quite read it because it's too small. Struggling to get it opened. Here we go. Basically the same color. Light bar is a darker tint. But, same wheels. It's a good looking car. They can make a million of these. I'm happy. Always happy to have another Charger in the collection. What else? We got this kind of no-name thing. I don't think I have an example of this casting, so that'll add that off the list. Pretty sure they made a Burger King version of this. You know, it's not my favorite thing in the world, but I'd like to see some other examples of it. Put that off to the side. We got this little weird thing. I've got a few of them now. Where the heck does it say on this thing? I think it's like a security something. Can't remember what it's actually called. Yeah, it makes sense for New York, but not something we really lust to have all the versions of, right? We'll actually go with this one first. This one, and yeah, I guess the Charger or the Tahoe Suburban would be my favorite. The heck was that? Might be an animal in my backyard, I don't know. Old classic pickup. I've got several of these now, and these are pretty hard to get for some of them. I'm missing that Lamley one. That was a 9-pack from a few years ago. I had a chance to grab it for retail and I never did. Dang, I wish I did. This thing's old too. 87, wow. I don't have them all, but I have a lot. That's a great looking truck, especially in that black. Looks really good. And the last one for the 5-pack is this NYPD. Obviously NYPD, all of them are. Suburban, classic. Can't go wrong with that here. I'm going to see if I can open this one. Oh, dang. I was looking at Chargers and I never even opened the other ones. Hold up. We're going to open these Chargers first. Yeah, we're going to open these Chargers. So, put these off to the side. Get the ugly ones out of the way. Sorry, Matchbox, but they're kind of ugly. Thankfully, we don't see those too often. We got a couple of ones. Actually, you know what? Let's open this one. Shreveport. I'm probably reading that horribly wrong. Police. Charger. It's an older Charger, but a Charger nonetheless. 2009 copyright. I like those wheels. Those wheels on this casting look really good. Yeah, that's a good looking Charger. I definitely think the newer Charger casting is a little bit better. But it is still very nice to have these because these early Chargers are a little bit tricky to get for sure. And this one, it's a winner for me. Auburn Hills. Given the fact that I lived in Michigan for a while, it's home for me. 2007 copyright date. A little bit of packaging rub there, but not too bad. I really dig those wheels. Blacked out fronts. Auburn Hills, Michigan. It's actually where I used to get my hair cut. Every time I used to cross over the border, that's usually where I go. Go to Auburn Hills, get my hair cut, go home. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna look at that Suburban real quick. I might have to open this off camera. I don't think there's any way to save this packaging. Just go to town. Yeah, we'll look at the packaging though real quick. So there's a bunch of other ones we can look at. I should have brought that one out. I do have that one downstairs, but I didn't want to open it yet because I'm not ready to open that. I'm waiting to pair it to some video. I'm not sure yet. Trying to hunt those down. Don't have those. So we have all three of those now. I'm just going to have to rip it open. I don't think there's any other way around it. These things are pretty fragile, so I'm trying to be careful. Of course, the evil twist ties. One more here. I'm excited for the toy show coming up on Sunday because that's going to be chaos. I got so many cards to pick up and drop off to people. It's just absolute mayhem. Yeah, there's one screw holding this in. Unfortunately, I can't take it off. Oof. There is elastic bands all over this thing. I don't have time to deal with that right now because I don't think I have a screwdriver with me. No. Dang. So unfortunately, I can't take this off, but you're just going to have to look at it as it is. And it is a good looking Matchbox. Dang, that's so nice. Hopefully the other door is not damaged. See that elastic band broken off? I'm a little worried about it. Just, I don't know why they made these so detailed, but let's see them brought back. I don't think it's the same. Nah, that's not a separate piece bumper, but it looks like it. There you guys go. Well, what do you guys think? What's your highlight from the video? What do you guys collect from Matchbox when it comes to service vehicles? Do you even collect service vehicles from Matchbox? Hopefully you guys do. I know Matchbox is well known for a lot of their fire trucks and crazy stuff like that. But anyways, enough rambling on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.